Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform that unifies chat, voice, video, and file sharing. But if you would like to stop Teams from starting automatically on startup, here's what you can do. For the first method, you can try changing the option from the Windows 10 settings. Do that by going to your Start menu and then select Settings. On the window, choose Apps, select Startup on the left pane, locate Microsoft Teams in the list of applications, and then toggle the switch to turn off Automatic Startup. Now another method that you can try is to change the settings in the Task Manager. Do that by going to your taskbar, right-click on it, and select Task Manager. On the window, click the Startup tab, locate Microsoft Teams in the list, and then click the Disable option on the lower right portion of the screen. With that, you have now disabled Microsoft Teams from starting automatically on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.